Hello students, I just wanted to give you a quick refresher on how you should work your way through the modules, which are of course over here. When you open the module, you want to go to the most recent module that's available, which right now is Module 6. You begin at the overview. You read through the overview, the objectives, and then you have the checklist. Now, I have linked the checklist out. I'm going to stop doing this because I fear many of you are just jumping right to it. You have to click the next button over here. It goes to the course Prezi, which will open in a new window. Please make your way through the course Prezi. It gives further information and video and instruction from me and other sources on how to complete the module and integrate technology in the classroom and on your minor project. When you've completed the Prezi, it says go back to the rest of the module. Here are the readings for the week. It says you should read Learning First, Technology Second, Chapter 5 on Enhancement, and read this web article about the purpose of education. Then you click Next again, and now the same instructions are here, and you can type in your reply and complete your first word, last word post. When you've completed that, you hit Next, and you have Assignment 6. This is the Padlet assignment. It asks you to read about the EEE framework, which you should have already done, but go ahead and get a refresher. It says, please read the EEE on enhancement. Work your way through. There is a infographic, there is a video, and there is information and questions that we ask about enhancing learning with technology. There is also the Chapter 5 from our textbook, which you are to read for the first word, last word. Then you can go to the Padlet and complete the Padlet assignment. When you've completed that, you move on to your collaboration, which we are on week 2 of our tools collaboration. Here is the memo and instructions to download for that. And then finally, the checklist. Have you reviewed the Prezi? Have you completed your discussion? Did you do the enhancement Padlet? And are you working on your tools? When you hit Next and it takes you to this Canvas support screen, you know you are done. Thanks, everybody. If there's any questions, please email me and let me know. Have a great week.